Hi guys, good evening everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to load the tables into Power Query. Um, in Power BI desktop, we have three modules guys: Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. In this screen, which you can able to see right now, this screen contains two modules only. Those are Power View and Power Pivot. Okay, if you wanna see Power Query, you need to click on transform data. Okay, another window got opened. Here two windows got opened, right? One window belongs to Power Pivot and Power View, another window belongs to Power Query. If you want to load the data into Power Query, you need to use these GUI options: graphical user interfaces will perform same operations, but the difference is recent sources will store the information about previously connected data source information, right? This time I'm going with new source. Here, these all are data sources, guys. More, there is a plethora of data sources. Through Power Query, we can connect one for data sources and extract the data from any kind of data source into Power Query. Okay, now this time my data in Excel file. I'm going with this right now under dot Amazon Data Central. The table is going to load it into Power Query. Time than usual. Okay, here under Amazon Data Central Excel file, I have four tables: orders table, people table, return table, state table. But this time I wanna load orders table, so I check this orders table. At the time only selected table will going to land on Power Query. Okay, loaded into Power Query. Oh. Okay guys, this time can you observe here 24 columns and 999 rows, total rows, which are loaded into. Here another tab is there. Here we have Power View and Power Pivot. If you want to load this data into Power Pivot, you need to go to this section. Under this section we have close and apply. If we click on close and apply, the Power Query window going to be closed and this entire table will going to load into Power Pivot. In case if we select this apply option, this window will be stay like here, and this information going to stored into Power Pivot. Okay, we can do it later after doing some transformations from this table. Okay, now for the first I wanna change uppercase and extract here, rounding, detect column data type, extract here. Okay, extract year and month from order date. I wanna do these operations in this session. Okay, the first one is change uppercase. Uppercase means it is related to alphabetical order, right? In this Amazon data, I can found alphabetical information in city, state, customer name, segment. In any column I can find alphabetical information. I'm going with customer name. Okay, in this table, this is in proper order, right? I want to change entire letters into uppercase. Okay, under transformation tab I have a text column. Under text column I have a format option. I want to change this to uppercase. Okay, entire letters transformed into uppercase. Okay guys, here um, this entire part of this will belongs to ribbon. Under ribbon we have different types of tabs. Under tabs we have hundreds of GUI options, graphical user interface graphical user interface options. With the using of GUI options we are going to modify the table. This is belongs to queries pane. Queries pane will show you what are the tables stored what are the tables loaded into Power Query, and this one will show you what are the modifications, what are the transformations we made to the table which loaded into Power Query. Okay, this one belongs to data pane or results pane. It will show the columns and information, what are the information stored in the table which we are loaded into Power Query. Okay, I have changed this customer name into uppercase, and I'm gonna change state column also. Where is state column? Instead of state column I'm going with city. Under transform tab I have text column. Under text column I have format GUI option. This time I want to change it uppercase. Okay, I'm not comfortable with this transformation. Again I'm going to change it to lowercase. Okay, the column got transformed successfully. And the second one, I want to extract year from the order date or ship date. Under choose column, go to column, order date. Select it. I want to extract year from this column. So order date. Under transform tab I have date and time column. Under that I have year. See guys, the transformation happened in the same column which we selected previously. I don't want this type of transformation, so I'm gonna remove it. We have add column, right? Under add column again we have from date and time column. Under that date and year, extract it. Separate column created. So under transform tab and add column we have we can do this type of transformations, but the difference is when we do that modifications using transform tab GUI options, the transformation will be going to land on the same column which we selected previously. When we go with the add column, the transformation will be going to land on another new column. That's the difference between transform and add column. Okay guys, again I wanna extract the month also from the ship date. Where is the ship date, ship mode, and ship date here. Select it under add column. I have this time I want to extract month. Month got extracted, right? Again, what is the next one we have to do? Rounding. Which column stored the decimal values? I think sales and profit columns. We have sales and profit columns in this table, so I'm going with those two columns. Go to column, quantity, sales. Okay, here two decimal values there. I don't want these two decimal values. I wanna display only one decimal value. So this column belongs to number data type information. So under transform, this time I wanna see the transformation in the same column. So I'm going with transform tab. Under number column, we have a rounding geo option. Select it. This time I wanna see only one decimal value. Select it. See guys, here we can only see only one decimal value. If we did this same to the profit column, change columns, go to column, profit, here, select it, click on OK. Here also two decimal values we can see. This time I don't want to see any decimal values, so I'm going to round it 0. Transform. Under number column I have rounding option. This time I'm gonna give 0 because I don't wanna see any decimal values. Click on OK. The transformation happened. There is no decimal values here. Okay. Detect column data type. Here I forgot to say you one thing. Data type is nothing but type of information stored in the column, because row id, under row id, data type by default Power Query given data type for each and every column. This is, we have 3 data types: number data type, text data type, and date data type. Date data type shows the information about date, and text data type will stores the information about text, numbers, and characters, combination of characters. This type of information will store in text data type, and a number data type will store the information about numbers only. Okay, we have to do this actually, but Power Query did it by default, so I'm going to remove this step. Okay, there is no proper data type was given to the columns, so I'm going to give data type for this column. I selected this, and under home tab, data type, here any was there, but I'm gonna change it. Under row id, what type of information was stored? Number related information was stored in the row id, so I'm going to give it as where is it? Number, decimal number, fixed decimal, whole number, right? Yeah. The data type of the column was changed. Okay. Previously, there is no proper data type for this column, but because of the transformations we did to this column, data type was given properly. Only selected table was changed. So this time I'm gonna remove this step. I'm gonna select entire table. This time I wanna change entire table column data type. So I'm going with transform. Under transform we have detect data type. Using this option, entire columns data type will going to change. Okay guys, this is all for today. Meet you in next class. Please subscribe and follow for more videos. Thank you so much guys.